Everyone's putting corn cans in the air fryer after this genius idea. In a pan, we'll start by adding half a cup of sugar, mix it well, and let it turn into caramel. This is the ideal point. Now let's transfer to the corn cans, adding half to each can. Next, we'll let it cool down. In another container, let's crack an egg. Add 200 ml of milk and 200 grams of condensed milk. After that, just mix it very well. This is the ideal consistency. Now let's pour it into our cans. Then we'll cover each can with aluminum foil. Next, we'll put these cans in our air fryer. We'll set it to about 160 degrees for 30 minutes. After that, folks, our curdled pudding is ready. Look how amazing this curdled pudding looks. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe from Pour in the Kitchen. A big hug. See you next time, and thanks.